Welcome back. Back to school can not only be stressful for students, but also parents, especially when it means your kids are moving away for college. Plus, how partying on weekends can impact your health. Those stories and more in tonight's Health Watch. Quitting smoking can help people succeed in quitting other substances. The National Institutes of Health found people who gave up cigarettes had a 42% improved chance of overcoming substance use disorder for things like alcohol. The study's authors say smoking cessation programs could be used to help people beat other addictions. Those late nights on the weekends could be putting your health at risk. A study out of Australia identified a sleep disorder called social apnea, where weekend habits like drinking, smoking, and staying up late can disrupt the breathing of sleep apnea patients, which can heighten the risk of heart disease, depression, and dementia. Since most sleep studies happen during the week, researchers say social apnea is often missed. Americans are drinking less. Just more than half of U.S. adults report they drink alcohol, which is a record low. The Gallup poll released this week finds 54% say they drink liquor, wine, or beer. 53% of adults now believe moderate drinking is bad for their health. That's up from 28% in 2015. The numbers are largely driven by young adults who are more likely to believe drinking 1 or 2 drinks a day can be hazardous to their health. Parents of college-aged kids, if your baby is leaving home for school or starting a job, there can be feelings of sadness, loss, and even depression. Psychologists say there are healthy ways to cope with empty nest syndrome. First, it's important to acknowledge your feelings to help process them. Also, plan time every day when you can talk to your child or exchange text messages, maybe in between classes or before bed. Experts encourage you to follow the school's social media page, which may help you ask thoughtful questions and stay connected. And they add, this new chapter may allow time for a hobby, to learn something new, maybe volunteer or travel. Oh, I can't even imagine. Some psychologists believe empty nest syndrome has 3 stages: grief, relief, and joy. For a closer look, go to the feature section of our website, 2news.com, and click on the Health Watch icon. You have a long way to go, Ryan, but it's coming.